sir. Wasn't about to give up, so I got you, little junior. That's all it took, huh, was a swim bait. Yes, sir. Almost 30 minutes messing with you, boy. Really? Really? First one of the day. Peace, dude. Woo! How you doing? Man, I didn't even feel this one eat it. He just picked it up and ran with it. This one's bigger than the other one. Not too bad, not too bad. Turn a nigga to a convertible, push me a little nigga top back. Alright. Time to let this one go. It's time for a little break. Y'all stay tuned to this creek mission. We're gonna catch some good ones on this creek. Yeah, I bet y'all never knew that there was fish here. Cautious fishermen crossing the road. Look both ways before you cross. This is what we're fishing, guys. Just a creek, and we've caught those two good fish out of here. Just goes to show you there's fish everywhere. Look, there's fish swimming off right there. There's more right there. There's a lot of them right there, look. But that's not what we're after. We're after some largies today, so y'all stay tuned as this creek mission continues. That's a good one. That's a good one. Get up here, Junior. Yes, sir. Look at that. I'm telling you, man, there's fish all over this creek. All over this creek. Nobody fishes this, man. I want to encourage my people from Cleburne to come try and fish with me. If you want to learn how to fish, let's do this. I can show you. It's easy. It's simple. I'm using this little worm. It can't get simpler than this. Come on, man. Come have fun with me. Let's do this. Lip and bass, baby. Lip and bass. Come on. Let's do this. Woo! Just like that. Just like that. Instantly getting bit. I'm sure his little gills. Got one. Little bass. Oh, he spit it. There's more in there. He darted at it. Just caught another one, a little bleeder, but he's also a little chunky one, so we gotta get him back in quick. There's a big old ditch right here. I walked over here, my camera died. I threw it right over there in that little shadowy part, and he just took off with it. Let's get him back in the water. Peace out, little junior. There he goes. There he goes. Wow. That motherfucker took my damn Kraken crawl. No way. What a dick. You gotta be kidding me, yo. That was first cast. Got him. These Texas creek bass, man. Feisty little guys. Chubby guy. Alright, let's get him back. Get a good whiff. Get him back. Mission here complete. See if I can sight fish something from up here. Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one. There's a one big one in here, man. first cast, baby, with a swim bait. Not too big. I mean, for a creek, this ain't too bad. There she goes. Oh, got him. Ding! I seen him swim for that one. He hauled bajonky balls from there to there. I don't even know what number this is anymore. I've lost count, seriously. Today's been one of the best creek missions I've ever had. Peace out, Junior. He waved bye. Goodbye. Woo! She took it. God damn it. Ah, what am I gonna do? 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 Get up here. The final fish of the day. Throw her right back where she came from. Yes, sir. All right. I think we did some damage on them today. What do y'all think? Little creek mission was a success. Hit that like button. Drop a comment down below if y'all want me to do this more often. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. I've walked at least over 5 miles. It's time to get home, get some rest. Until next time.